Well, that was a lot bigger.
Alright, so we are at rooms to go because Casey needs a bedroom set because he has this piece together bedroom set we had. It didn't make any sense buying him one before because it was moving. But now we got to find furniture to actually fit the house. Now look at these guys. But I don't think, it's not tall, but what happens if my man falls off the bed? So with Vlogmas coming around the corner, we're going to be vlogging a lot more regularly. Also now that I got the G7X back, life is good. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure he could get down by himself.
So we are in Marietta about to go to Illuminations. I think that's what it's called. It is at Six Flags Whitewater. So we're in Marietta, I believe. And this is the first time that I've heard of Illuminations being in Georgia. I think just because with everything going on with COVID, this is kind of the safest way to celebrate. So we are going to show you what that looks like. I told you guys we're going to be doing Vlogmas this year again. So we're just going to show you, did you see that little police car? Well, that's public safety.
Public safety. We're probably by Kennesaw State.
Yeah, it said we were by Kennesaw State. So, yeah, we're just going to show you how we celebrate.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
We're going to show you how we celebrate during these times, but it's getting dark, so I don't think you guys can really see me well. But stay tuned. I think it'll be awesome. Look at this. And I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. So if you guys can see, the line is literally wrapped down the block. This whole line over here is why traffic is so bad. They are all going to Illuminations. That's exactly why this side looks like this. So hopefully we can make it, but this is crazy.
Alright, as you guys can see, you can hear the music playing. You turn to the correct station. The radio, the music hits matches the dancing of the lights. It's pretty cool. So hopefully the wait was worth it.
That I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so
see here in Georgia. So the kids got a little bit of snow in the car. And I think they like it. I like it. It's candy themed. Y'all know I like that.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.